easily merge multiple Excel files into one workbook using Python. Start with importing OS for file handling and Pandas for data manipulation. Specify the folder path with your Excel files and set the output file path for the workbook. Iterate through the folder, checking for files with XLSX or XLS extensions to read. Use pd.excel writer to save each data frame into separate sheets in the new workbook. This method simplifies data consolidation, making your workflow in Python efficient. Here is code to achieve the same. Import OS import pandas as pd. Folder underscore path equals your underscore folder underscore path. Output underscore file underscore path equals output.xlsx. dfs equals. For file name in os.list under folder underscore path, if file name.inswith.xlsx or file name.inswith.xls, file underscore path equals os.path.join folder underscore path, file name, for sheet underscore name and pd.excel file underscore path, sheet underscore names. df equals pd.read underscore excel file underscore path, sheet underscore name equals sheet underscore name, header equals none, dfs.append df. With pd.excel writer output underscore file underscore path, as writer. For I, df and enumerate dfs, df.to underscore excel writer, sheet underscore name equals f apostrophe sheet underscore I plus 1 comma index equals false print data appended to new workbook successfully. Subscribe for more Python tips.